Alright, guys, so welcome back to another market breakdown on Ethereum, AVAX, and Litecoin, and maybe Bitcoin. So today is Tuesday, March 29th, and I'm about to dive into these charts to show y'all how these things met my target and what is the next target for later on this week or maybe 2 weeks, give or take. So once price broke out of this trend line, out of this triangle pattern, the target was from March 17th when the breakout happened uh, at 8:45 a.m. So my target was 3,200, and then the second target was 3,400, and we met both of these targets 1 week later, the 17th to the 29th. That's 1 week because we met one of the target Sunday, and then the other target we met at yesterday. Yeah, yesterday, or matter of fact, this morning. This morning. So we met the targets 1 week later, literally. So if you see, like what I'm teaching, it works. It don't always work, but it works enough for you to become a profitable trader or a profitable investor. With investing, it works. It, like 90% of the time, it works. Okay, so if y'all really want to learn how to invest in yourself, invest by yourself without any partners or any team or anybody sending you signals, this is the way. But let's move on to I'm gonna move on to AVAX. Show ya how AVAX came back like and took yo man. So this is AVAX. I was saying AVAX was bearish because of these bearish engulfing at the trend line. But it kept fighting and fighting and it finally broke above the trend line day before yesterday, and we came back and retested a bit with this. I still want to see a little retest, but right now, the way how this candle is looking, if we create this bullish engulfing right here, that would be beautiful. The next target would be 107, 106. Then the next one is 120. So those are targets for AVAX. This is not gonna happen overnight. It might take a few days, a few weeks or so, right? But these are the targets for AVAX if we could break above this little resistance area right here. And AVAX has been showing up, man. I lost some money off AVAX because I was trying to trade it, but the shit just kept, man. Anyways, long story short, I moved on. I'm not trading AVAX right now, but I'm just charting it up to make sure what I'm charting up is working, and it's been working pretty good, really good. Now let me see on the H1 time frame. Yeah, that's AVAX. So now let's go down to Litecoin. Litecoin has been playing out so perfect. Like I mean perfect. Ever since I charted this up, um remember we were saying price is gonna go to this trend line, right? And then we broke above the trend line. And once we got this retest, this candle right here, we broke above retest and then form a bullish engulfing candle. Oh my. Then I said the target will be the ultimate target on the daily time frame is 142. Roughly 142, right? That's on the daily time frame. Now this is not gonna just happen in a day or two. It's gonna take a little while, but that's the ultimate target for the daily, and if we could break above that, this is the next target, 150. But we're not gonna entertain that as of yet. Now the H4 target now, man, shit, we just been playing out so perfect, man. This is like a lot. You could have made a lot of money right here. Let me show a lot better on the H1 time frame. Like this is when I say, like, man, this is like a perfect trading opportunity. Like you can't really ask for nothing better than this. Like this is it's respecting the trend line for so long. Bang, bang, bang. So now what I want to see happen right now is for price to um at least retest this trend line with a bullish engulfing candle. Now we could for us not to break the trend line, we could go to about 120, 128. 128 area, or even, yeah, 128 close to 127 area, 120 upper 127. All right, but we could also come back and retest this 61.8 area, and once we don't break above that 161, once the 61.8 area, that would be about 127, 126, 90 something, right? That's fine with me. And then the target will be 134. Man, that's on the H1 time frame. 134. Yep, 134 to 137. And man, this thing has been playing out so perfect. Perfect. I can't complain. Now let's look at Bitcoin to see what Bitcoin is doing. Because Bitcoin, remember, Bitcoin tell us what will potentially happen in the markets. Let's see. No, this is the wrong chart. Wrong chart, wrong chart. Bitcoin clean chart right here. Okay. So on the H, let's see the daily. Okay, so we hit the targets for Bitcoin of 48,000 target. We definitely hit that target, and now we possibly could get a reversal, and also we have broke out of this triangle, so we could possibly retrace. You know what I'm saying? The lowest I want to see is 43,000. We could even go to, no, we could go to 41,000, 41,700. That's what, yeah, that's the furthest I want to see us go for right now. I don't want to see us break $40,000 for Bitcoin, basically. Now, the ultimate target for this breakout would be $54,000, almost 54,500, roughly that price.